Okay, ready?
Okay.
Go! Hello, this is Tati.
This is Miku.
Our channel introduces Japanese culture. Today's topic is
Sushi roll. Sushi roll is a type of sushi.
you wrap fillings with seasoned rice and seaweed like this.
Today, we're going to show you a special type of sushi roll, which is Eho-maki. The direct translation is auspicious direction roll.
It is said that it will bring you good luck if you finish it looking in the auspicious direction of the year.
People in Japan usually eat it on February 3rd, which is the beginning of spring in the ancient calendar.
But if you're interested in it, you can try whenever you want.
Now, we're going to show you how to make Eho-maki.
These are examples of ingredients: green leaf, avocado, cream cheese, imitation crab, cucumber, smoked salmon, roasted white sesame, vinegar, salt, sugar, and seaweed. And don't forget rice.
First, put 300 grams of rice into the bowl. Mix sugar, salt, and vinegar. Put the sauce into the bowl little by little. Until you use all the sauce. If you want to make it salty, add some soy sauce. Cut the cucumber. Cut the avocado. Cut the cream cheese. Let's make a sushi roll. We use this, makisu.
Put the seaweed on it and put some water on your hands so that the rice will easily come off. And spread the rice. Leave this part. Then put all the ingredients one by one. Now it's time to roll. Hold the ingredients softly. And hold it tight. Hold it tight again. And it's done. If you don't have this one, makisu, you can substitute it with plastic wrap. Why do Japanese people eat this sushi roll?
There are various theories. One is about happiness. Usually, 7 ingredients are used for this sushi roll, and they represent the 7 gods of fortune.
It is said that you can take all the fortune by eating the whole sushi without cutting it or talking. Another theory is driving evil spirits away. Red or blue ingredients mean org. By eating them, you can beat evils. First, you need to look in the auspicious direction for the ear. This ear, it's slightly west of west-southwest. I said too much west.
But it's true. Second, you have to eat whole sushi roll at once.
And third, while you are eating, you have to be quiet. You mustn't speak.
4. Concentrate on your wish.
If you finish this sushi roll with these 4 requirements, it is said that your wish will come true. So, wish us luck. So we are going to eat this huge, gigantic sushi roll. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Go! Ah, it was much tougher than my workout I did today.
Really?
Yeah. In the later part, I wasn't able to taste anything.
But isn't it yummy?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Because you made it.
そういうのはそういうとこ使わないか。
That was tough.
but we did it.
Yeah. By the way, what did you wish?
I wished 10,000 subscribers to this channel.
Yeah, that will come true because you succeeded it. You finished it.
And what is yours?
Wished for a safe trip to our traveling around Japan.
Oh.
But we might get some troubles because I failed it. I wasn't able to keep looking in the auspicious direction.
Today, we introduced special sushi roll, Eho-maki. So why don't you try it?
And make your wish come true.
Thank you for watching.
If you're interested in Japanese culture,
Please subscribe to our channel.
see you.
See you.